Hey guys, today's gonna be a little different. I just got invited to join a charity home makeover project, and I'm honestly so excited. I have no clue what we're about to walk into, so let's go find out together. I guess I'm the first one to get here. Before the crew shows up, come with me. I want to show you the house we're about to completely transform. Okay, we're almost at the finish line. Now it's my turn to make this place feel like home. I'm gonna save the full reveal for the end of the video. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And we're finally done. Flevi, watching this house come back to life has been such an incredible journey. A huge thank you to everyone who made this possible. I hope this home brings happiness. See you in the next makeover.